Hello guys, welcome back. So today we'll be reading Colocynthis, common name squirting cucumber, family Cucurbitaceae. Mental generals: affection from anger with indignation, colic, vomiting, diarrhea, and suppression of menses. Extremely irritable, impatient, becomes angry or offended on being questioned. Irritable, throws things out of his hands. Head: vertigo when quickly turning head, especially to the left as if he would fall, from stimulants. Gastrointestinal system: agonizing pain in the abdomen, causing patient to bend double with restlessness, twisting and turning to obtain relief, which is better by hard pressure, aggravated by heat. Pain are worse after eating or drinking. Compel patient to bend double. Female reproductive system: menses suppressed by chagrin, colic pains. Extremities: sciatica, crampy pain in hip, as though screws in a vise, lies upon affected side. Shooting pain like lightning shocks down the whole limb, left lip, left thigh, left knee into popliteal fossa. Modalities: aggravation, anger and indignation, mortification caused by offense, cheese, aggravated by colic. Amelioration, from doubling up, hard pressure. Relation: complementary to mercury in dysentery with great tenesmus. Compare gnaphalium: intense pain along right sciatic nerve, darting, cutting from hip joint down to foot, which is aggravated by lying down, motion, stepping, better by sitting. Compare with staphysagria in ovarian or other diseases from bad effects of anger, reserved indignation, or silent grief. Thank you.